Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you fixed screen resolution problem in Windows 10 or 11. So very easy guys. Firstly click on start, click on type here setting, open settings, and here type text text. Here option change the size of text, apps and other items. Click it. Then select here change the size of text, app and other item. Display resolution. So click on this slot box and select as your requirement. In my case 9020. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to screen resolution problem in Windows 10 or 11. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. Please comment this video full or not. Thank you for watching.